We'll probably come back against it, but we're against it at the moment and it's not making any difference, so yeah, depends how long we're out for. So exactly, yeah. It's just the other week we came out, we was intending to go out to where the seals were and it just got so choppy.
Right.
So yeah, so we just sort of thought it's getting a bit too dodgy, so just turned around and came back. So yeah, the very early morning paddles, you can't beat them. And a night paddle, there's a lad who Reflective Adventures. God, noise of them. Has been doing like along Dedham, but turning up and putting like lights on the canoes, a red and a white light, and then having a paddle down to Flatford and back. Yeah. Oh, this is horrible, isn't it? Why did we bother? Yeah. Oh, they're on there. It's just there. Oh, he's getting ever so close, look. Should have brought some fish. For a beach ball. Mr. Seal over there. Well, ladies and gents, that is like a mill pond. It's amazing. So we've had a seal keep popping up, but he's not really getting anywhere near us. To pick up on the GoPro. Brooke saying about, oh, better film the sunshine. Keep paddling. Oh, there's a kite behind us.
Yeah, do that. I told you.
I weren't listening. Pardon? Oh yeah, it's just if they've got pups, you don't want to scare them off and put them into another area. Well, they're bred in the summer, I think. No, oh, there he is. No, we'll probably head down Bramble Creek unless you need to get back. Oh no, no. No, just a point to aim to, because it's... Is that skirt better?
Yeah, a lot better.
Yeah. I think the other one's just gone a bit rotten. Yeah, so that's the Nice Tower there now.
Oh, yeah, not close, isn't it?
Yeah. You know, it creeps up, doesn't it, with... Two. And there, and there. Three, 4, 5. There's loads of them. I'm going to catch up with the group because they are kind of there. Awesome. What a great day. Oh my god. Look at this weather. It's fantastic. I can actually hear the waves breaking now. Right. Let's bounce. We're getting a bit of a swell off of the sea, not really waves. There's a seal like right behind me. No way I'm going to be at turning time. Let's go, let's have a go, let's have a go. Ah, he dived down. There was one there, 2, 3, 4. There's a pup there, up on the beach. Did you bring your club with you, Ray?
Huh?
Did you bring your club with you?
Aww.
What?
No.
I thought you liked clubbing.
I don't like any sort of clubbing.
No, bless him. Whoa! It's there! Yeah. I just saw his tail. Yeah, we're scaring them. Yes. Let's leave them to it. Don't upset the. Yeah. Oh, there's loads behind us. It must be Titmarsh Marina over there. Can just see the masts of all the boats. Oh, I'm getting sunburnt now. Don't like it. That's been a brilliant paddle, isn't it? Yeah. I'm gonna have to think of something else to put on my bucket list. Go and see the seals in my kayak was one. Done. Look, there's loads. I'm sure they don't like eye contact. Yeah, maybe wear shades next time. It's if you look at them, they all sort of disappear, don't they? Yeah, definitely. Yeah. And definitely the closest as well.
Yeah, they've been very close.
I've seen the odd seal, but not this close. Not following you. Yeah, it's just been brilliant. So I'm paddling against the tide now, although there's no wind at all. You can see that the water has actually changed with the speed of the water. So this estuary is going to be draining really quick because it's a flat. So we need to stick to the middle, especially with the sup that is with us. We need to stay out of the really shallow water because she's got a really big keel on it. Do, 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 do. And there is a chance we'll run out of water because we have been out for about 4 hours. So where we've been, you get where we launched from, sorry, you can get launched 2 hours either side of high tide ish. So hopefully there's some water left to get out. So we're heading down to the last cut. So this is the estuary part where we started. There we go. Now once we get off the estuary, it should theoretically slow down. Right, I better stop and wait for the other guys because they are miles behind. Well, not miles, 100 metres behind. I'm proper happy to get this off the list. Well, I'll definitely do this again anytime, but one of those things I've always wanted to come around the backwaters and explore is one, and two, see the seals. Found the seals. Job is a good one. Really, really chuffed. Yeah. Something I wanted to do in the summer when I first got the kayak, but time and effort and all that. Oh. What a beautiful day. Wow. Oh, okay. Yeah, if you can, that'd be great. So there's a couple more coming as well. So. Oh. Yeah, yeah, about 2 hours either side of high tide you get. You what?
It's not going to be fun to spot the flowers.
Not bothered. There you go. Mr. Steel, just there.